The area that they plan to annihilate is where we go for our daily walks. The fresh air is a big bonus, not to mention the sheer beauty of the place with its abundance of trees, plants and flowers. This particular spot is a favorite amongst many Maltese who enjoy picnics on a regular basis. Building this land would only be detrimental to our society. A construction of this magnitude would inevitably pollute the air for all those residing and working in the neighborhood, bearing in mind there are 8 schools in the close vicinity. Our depleting resource of trees will be further damaged by destroying this area. We need to understand the essential need of trees. Trees combat climate change. They clean the air, which is so vital as so many of our children have increasing respiratory problems. They provide oxygen and cool down temperatures and help prevent soil erosion. It's also known that trees heal. Studies have shown that patients with views of trees heal faster and with less complications.
We were lucky enough to grow in a place where we could have adventures. We could go and explore nature. I don't want to take that away from the children that I want to have. No, I don't want some busy there.
Beautiful field that is going to be destroyed because of greed. The sound of birds singing all throughout the day will be destroyed forever. Why do we have to fight to save our environment? Why do we have to sweat so much to protect our open spaces in Malta?